Are you tired of working with your 3D printer and never getting what you want? In this video, I'm bringing you a really useful tool where you'll be able to do anything you want with 3D models thanks to Meshi. Let's get to it. Hey there, I'm Minnie. Today on this channel, we're bringing you the ultimate tool for 3D printing. A lot of you have problems where you try to make objects, figures, or things on the computer using your printer and nothing comes out right because it's really complicated to do. Well, now artificial intelligence is here to help us make these objects. In this video, we're going to see, or rather analyze, how it can help us make our best figures without making life so complicated. It has an agent mode, it can search our files, and we can make whatever figures we want. Let's go! Well, I found this trailer, so let's watch it together so you can get an idea of what you can do. Well, I brought you a trailer here that more or less... Alright, I'm gonna play the video for you. It's a really quick intro so you can see what we could do just as a fast and explanatory example. Let's watch it together. Look, it's an image, and through that image, it can be set to 360, right? I mean, the whole figure in its environment. Incredible! Did you see how it transformed the figure using the photos, the images, and the texture it gives to everything? It's amazing. What you just saw here is, in my opinion, the coolest thing about it, because through a video image, it told it to retrieve all the items that were in the image, and if there's something you're interested in from somewhere and you want to extract that object, it breaks it down for you in some way, and you can make them yourself. I think that's really impressive, honestly. Well, in this case, since I'm a fan of anime, I grew up, for example, with Dragon Ball, so I thought, why not? I'm gonna make a Goku figure using a file that I uploaded here. Well, I've already created this one, you have it here, but you can see Ultra Instinct Goku. How cool! How cool it turned out. Let's take a look at it, see what you all think. Then you can render it in 4K with whatever colors you want. Obviously, we'll do it like the real Goku, but if you have an idea to make it different, you can make it however you want. But look at everything. Look how it turned out. And this is from a file I downloaded. Just an image, okay? From this image we have here, it generated this. But I'm gonna do a test for you to see how it turns out. For example, what do you like? Do you like Naruto, Nyar? Alright then, let's check it out. I've downloaded a few and I wanted to try them out with you. Right now they're charging me some credits, but they give you some to start with, so you can mess around and all that. Then you have the paid option, and if you actually use it, it's really worth it because it saves you a lot of time and probably money too, since all the 3D printer creations will use up everything they need. So it'll pay off. Let's see. No, now what we're gonna do is a new one. For example, wow, this Majin Buu looks awesome. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. I've picked it. I'm gonna open it. Now, let's see what it does for us. Super fast, huh? Just so you know. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long to process the image and create it. I'll leave it here so you can see more or less how the process works in case you have to do it. But anyway, I think right now, when it comes to 3D printers, Meshi has no competition in what it offers Because what used to take you hours to do, racking your brain about how to make it look the same and all that, Meshi gives it to you, as we say, all chewed up and ready to go, just how people like it. Quick and easy. Here you have it. Check this out. Look at this, the textures, everything. A back. It turned out so cool. So cool, man. So cool. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna make it. Seriously, I'm gonna make it today. Today, I'm gonna make this Majin Buu. The only thing it didn't do was the little ball, huh? I guess it's because it's separated from the body and it doesn't pick it up. But anyway, we could probably add it later. And Freezer. I want to make Freezer because I love him, and he's one of my favorite characters from the Dragon Ball saga. Let's see how it turns out, man. This one really... It's just that I'm going to, in this room, for example, I don't have it. I have another one where I have those typical figures you buy, the ones that cost a fortune, that you spend a lot of money on, but with this, for those who have a 3D printer, it's going to be much cheaper and easier, because that's what we're aiming for in the end, for it to be easy and cheap. Let's see. It turned out so cool. So cool, man. So cool. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna make it. Seriously, I'm going to make it today. Today, I'm gonna make this Majin Buu. The little ball didn't come out though, huh? I guess it's because it's separated from the body and it doesn't pick it up. But anyway, we could probably add it later. And Freezer. I want to make Freezer because I love him, and he's one of the characters from the Dragon Ball saga that, honestly, is one of my favorites. Let's see how it turns out, man. This one for sure. I mean, in this room, for example, I don't have it. I have another one where I have those typical figures you buy, the ones that cost a fortune, that you spend a lot of money on. But with this, for those who have a 3D printer, it's going to be much cheaper and easier, because that's what we're aiming for in the end, for it to be easy and cheap. Let's see. To see what it does with this. For example, let's go here. Then it also has the option for agents, which can help you do something more complex and can give you prompts so you can do whatever you want. If you see that you get stuck on something, people can always help you do whatever you think of. Alright, but we're gonna go by a file. I don't know if it's gonna do this for me. I'm gonna try it out with you all, okay? Because honestly, it seems really complicated to me. Well, the ring and everything, I don't know if it'll do it, because of course, that's not very easy. This seems like the craziest thing I've seen. Being able to print this, tell me guys, let me know in the comments how long it will take you to be able to make or print this. Not the time it takes the printer to do it, but how long it would take you to come up with the idea, to actually get it and print it. I mean, it even comes out with a ring and everything. I think it's incredible, just incredible. Really cool, honestly. I think this, like I said before, is going to be the future. No, not the future, sorry, the present, because AI is already here. It's not just going to change things, it's what's happening right now. Another thing I found interesting about Meshi is that it has a huge community. I mean, all the users who in some way decide to share their creations, leave them available for others. You can follow them if you like how that person edits, recreate the things they make, and so on. So I find it really useful because sometimes you think, man, I can't come up with something I like. And then you say, let me see what other people are uploading. And you can see, for example, how many likes people have given, how many times it's been printed, how many times it's been downloaded. And honestly, there are some really cool, really awesome things from other users that you can download. People are so creative. Look, even a cat. Someone probably even made the cat they have at home. Well, there are endless things you can do. And for anyone who has a printer and wants to use it, I think this is the best tool you can have at home right now. So we've now seen how this new 3D printer tool works. Many of you are already using it, but I wanted to share it on the channel too because I think it's absolutely amazing. And that's it. I want you to leave me a comment to let me know if any of you have dared to make your own personal edits and want to share them with us. And also, let me know if you like this kind of video. Big hug, greetings to everyone, bye.